How to set your friends list private on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook application on your device. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and then again go to settings. Again scroll down until you see the option of how people can find you. You will find this option under audience and visibility. Then at the top you can see who can see your friend list. Simply click on it and choose the last option, which is only me, and click on save. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to set your friend list on your Facebook account to private. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.